Well, good morning, everybody. I wanted to take some time to go over week 5. We have a lot of material to cover for this week, so this will probably be a 2-video week. Okay, so let's just get started. Week 5, personal management objectives. We're looking at critical reflection, analysis of behaviors that contribute to your success. Familiarize yourself with the writing lab, and then the final thing is to look at or to identify self-management, resiliency, integrity, and emotional intelligence in a media source. Let's look at the readings for this week. We have Turabian, planning a first draft, and then drafting your paper. So these 2 chapters in the Turabian book will help you with the paper outline that you did for us last week. Taking that and putting together your draft paper. And then also for Kibbe, you're looking at establishing a position. How do you know, or how do you decide how to establish a position when you're writing a paper? This is one of those chapters that can help you look at the criteria needed so that when you write a paper that you'll be able to do it effectively. Then we're looking also at chapter 12 of Smith, and it's all about the ordered life. How do you set priorities in your life? And he goes over how you might want to begin to look at those kinds of things. We do have a media watch this week, and that has to do with the Writing Center, and it's not in this particular area of the reading report, but we'll show you where you'll find it. Okay, let's look at the Writing Center quiz. This week we have the Writing Center. We want to introduce you to the Writing Center. The Writing Center is an area or an organization within Moody that can help you when you're writing a paper. And they do have a site online where you can go and look at those kinds of things. And what we want you to do is to go online and to look at the welcome pages. They have a left menu navigation bar just as you do for your online class. We want you to go look at the welcome. We want you to look at announcements. There's a section for MDL students, the writer's guide, frequently asked questions, and how do you schedule an appointment. So the question probably floating in your mind right now is, well, how do I get to that? Well, there's a section here called My Organizations, and under that there is the Writing Center. Now you may find that on your landing page when you get to Blackboard. If you don't find it, it's not a big deal. One of the things that we do is that we have a video that shows you how to put the Writing Center into your own landing page. It's a video you go through. If you look at this particular individual does not have the Writing Center listed here. So this video takes you through the steps, the processes on how to add the Writing Center to your organization so that you can go in and you can look at the welcome, the announcements, etc. And then you can take the quiz. As you're going through this, I don't know about you, but I don't remember everything all at once, so I take notes as I go along. And then you can look at the quiz, take the quiz, and you'll be done with that. Okay, the next area that we're looking at is the Building Resiliency, Rebuilding Resilience essay, and that all has to do with the outline that you created in week 4. Now I know I still have to grade your papers, the outlines, the rough draft, or excuse me, the outlines that you did last week for week 4. I will try to get those done as quickly as I can so that you won't be delayed in getting your paper, your rough draft done. The rough draft, the purpose of that is for me to help you as you're building your paper. And what I should do then as I grade your paper is give you feedback on the thesis, your outline, and your works cited page. Okay? before you write your rough draft, you should take the feedback that I give you, make adjustments to your rough draft, and then you can begin writing your paper. So, focus on the flow of your ideas, including your introduction, etc. We want you to be able to take that information, take your outline, go ahead and build your paper. Now, your works cited page should already be part of the paper. If you make the corrections that I showed you as part of your week 4 feedback, then you should be doing pretty good. I want this paper to be a separate piece of paper from your outline. Okay, so don't include the outline as part of this particular submission. Okay, and then we're going to talk about your week 5, the integrity and personal management essay. I'm going to include that as part of another video, so we'll see you in a few minutes.